Hey there, how are you doing? Have you ever had problems with your website's rankings on Google? Have you ever created articles that never showed up on Google on page 1? Obviously, if you create content, you want to see your content ranking and get traffic to your site. But what if it doesn't rank? What can you do in order to get Google like your content? Today I'm going to give you 5 tips on what you can do to make this happen. If you're interested in growing your business with search marketing, subscribe to this channel down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified on any new videos we put out. My name is Gert Mellak, I'm an SEO and the founder of SEOleverage.com, and the 5 tips we are going to talk about are exactly what we suggest our clients when they talk about issues with their content not ranking on Google. Tip number 1, get a cup of coffee, this is going to take a while. Tip number 1 is get a solid technical foundation for your website so that Google doesn't find any roadblocks or obstacles when they try to crawl and index the content you want to rank. Tip number 2 is related to the duplication of content. Duplicate content per se doesn't mean exactly the same content, but if you have a content that's very close to the one you want to see ranking, this might be an issue for Google and might make it really hard for them to figure out which article to choose for the rankings. So if you can't see your article in the search results, check if there's anything similar on your blog Google might be preferring here. How about these first 2 tips? Did you know them already? Do you have any questions about them? Definitely make sure you comment below and give us a thumbs up if you think this is valuable for you. Tip number 3, search intent. Make sure that your article corresponds to a specific need, a specific reason why someone types in a search into Google in the first place. Very often we see articles not responding to anything, just where the author just is sharing a thought which might be interesting. You might be wanting to push this on social media, but definitely if you want to rank in search, your content needs to address a specific need someone has and someone expresses to Google via their search. Tip number 4, your content might be too far away from what Google actually wants to rank. I'm going to give you an example. Google is always going to try to make sure that the content they rank on their page is going to make Google users happy. At some point I'm going to put up a t-shirt that says Google wants to make users happy, because ultimately we are always going to refer to this as a main concept. Because if we understand that Google wants to make search users happy, we are going to understand that our content needs to be in line with what Google wants to show. If it's not, it can be an issue and can be the reason why Google completely ignores our article. Tip number 5, and this is very often overlooked. A page very often will need links, not only good content, in order to rank well, especially in competitive spaces. Very often we think that spending a lot of time and energy on writing the best article is going to be enough. However, this is not the case. What is actually the case is that we need to make sure that other sites relevant to our industry endorse our articles, link to them and tell Google with this link and other users with this link that our content is valuable. So if you don't rank, check if other pages that are ranking have links pointing to their articles, and this might then be very well the reason why your article doesn't come up. If you have implemented these 5 tips and still can't get your site ranking, let us know at SEOleverage.com. We are happy to take a look at this for you and suggest where to take it from there. If you like this video and enjoy getting to learn something new about how to grow your business with search marketing, subscribe to this channel. I'm happy to see you in the next video.